Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to do spot trading on BitYard mobile app for Android. BitYard is an online crypto exchange designed to support crypto trading. The BitYard platform gives traders access to the crypto market via spot, contracts for differences or CFD, and copy trading services. By the way, if you haven't signed up on BitYard, check video description for the sign up link to register. Here's how BitYard New Face looks like. It looks clean, vibrant, and user-friendly. Below, you will see menu tabs such as Home, Markets, Trade, Copy Trade, and Assets. To do spot trading, tap on the Trade button. Select Spot, and then pick your trading pairs by clicking here. You can choose on your favorite USDT or USDC pairs. You can also search on the search bar for the trading pairs. Let me look for BTC/USDC. Here, you select whether to buy or sell. This is the sell market, and this is the buy market. Select if you want to do limit or market order. A limit order is an order to buy or sell crypto at a specific price or better, while a market order is an order to buy or sell crypto at the market's current best available price. Usually, I pick limit order. Underneath will be the price per token and the amount you want to buy. You can also set the amount by picking from 25% up to 100%. Once you are decided, click on Buy. Below, you will see your open orders. To see your order history, just click this icon. To sell token, just select on Sell. Select what you want to use, market or limit order. Next is to input your selling price and the amount you want to sell. Once all is set, click on Sell. Then you will see underneath your open orders. Once your set price is triggered, it will be automatically executed. That's how you do spot trading on BitYard Exchange. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.